everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nades and in this video today I will show you 3 ways on how I use rice water. Rice water contains amino acids, vitamins B1 through B6. It contains folic acids, magnesium, and you can use it as a amazing protein treatment for your hair. I will show you how to make the rice water and also how to use it for your hair. For my hair, I actually have 2 ways that I use it. The first one is as a pre-poo, where I just put it on the roots of my hair and also on the ends since they are still a little bit damaged from heat styling, coloring, you name it, I've done it. And that's actually how you can treat your hair. I left it in overnight and then rinsed it out the morning after. The second way that I used it for my hair is actually as a deep conditioner. So I actually soaked my hair in the rice water, put a moisturizing deep conditioner over it just to balance it out, since the rice water is a very strong protein treatment. So make sure when you're using it that you're cautious of that, because if you have damaged hair, definitely this is a good way to make sure to restore the health in your hair. If your hair is not damaged, just do a test, see where your porosity level is on. If you have a high porosity, then you can definitely use protein treatment. But if you have a low to normal porosity, make sure either to not use it that often or dilute your rice water with regular water once it's done. That way the protein treatment is not that strong. You can still get the goodness out of the rice water without it actually drying out your hair. So make sure to balance it out. If I use it as a deep conditioner, I always put a deep conditioner over it that does not contain protein. And then the third way that I use rice water is also as a toner for my face. Rice water is known for brightening up the face, calming down the skin, and also it has an anti-aging effect. So actually after I wash my face, I use a cloth that I spritz with the rice water and then I just dab my face with it. After that is sunken into the skin, I actually use my regular day cream or night cream, whichever time of day you're using it, just to make sure that you also for your face get the right amount of moisture as well.
So I start off by using some rice. This could be any rice. I put it in a bowl and make sure to rinse it first, just to make sure that the rice is clean. Next, I make sure to get rid of the excess water, which I just rinsed the rice and put it in a glass container. And this was a little bit hard while filming and actually putting it in the glass container. Then I put a little bit of water in the container and close the lid so it's airtight. And I let this sit overnight. Okay, so this jar of rice water has been sitting here for day now. I've left it in a jar of pickles, so it's nice and airtight. Oh, I just can't even open it. Thank you. Okay, it was a bit too tight, so I had to ask my boyfriend to help me. So I'm just mixing it up a little, just making sure that the water gets the last of the nutrients that are still inside of the rice. This also will make sure the rice water becomes a little bit more white, and that's also how you can see that most of the nutrients are inside of the water. Just make sure that you're careful while doing this. Don't stamp your hand into the water because the rice is still pretty hard, so you can get scrapes or something like that on your hands. I'm gonna put it back in the glass container and draining it. And from here on out, just because it was easier this way, I'm gonna put it into the spray bottle. I'm gonna do that over my sink so I don't spill too much. Okay, as I said, the smell is not too bad, but just since it's not the nicest smell, I'm gonna put in a few drops of peppermint essential oil. Give it a good mix. If you want to store your rice water, you should put it in the fridge. So the first thing I'm showing you is actually how to use rice water as a pre-poo. So as you see me doing right here, I'm actually spritzing it at the roots and then massaging it in with my hands, and also putting some rice water at the ends of my hair since those are also damaged. And I'm just repeating these steps all throughout my hair. The rice water actually just lifts up any buildup that might still be on your scalp, so I just leave it in overnight to make sure it can really do its thing, and then I rinse it out the next morning. The reason that I put it on my ends as well is because I thought they needed a nice protein treatment. So I'm just adding some extra rice water where I feel it's needed, and then massaging my scalp. So you can choose to do this right before bedtime like I'm doing right here, giving yourself a nice massage before you go to sleep, or you can actually do this a few minutes prior to washing your hair, and then I would recommend you leaving in the rice water for about 5 minutes to make sure that the buildup actually lifts from the roots. So the second way I use rice water is as a toner. After I've cleaned my face, I dab it in. I've just spritzed a little on this cloth, and I will moisturize my face after, and this is how I tone my face at night. So right after my workout, I thought it would be a nice moment to give myself a deep conditioning treatment. So first I'm actually sectioning off my hair and then spritzing my hair with the rice water rinse. Unfortunately, my spray bottle didn't work anymore. So make sure to fully saturate your hair with the rice water. And this I do prior to actually using a deep conditioning mask, which I will show you in a minute. So the deep conditioning mask actually does not contain protein. This way I get a nice balance of a protein treatment as well as moisture for my hair. So the deep conditioner I chose is the Mystic Black by Novex, and I'm also using my Tangle Teaser curly detangler to make sure to distribute it nicely throughout the whole of my hair. So again, I'm sectioning off my hair. My hair is still wet from the rice water, and I'm just putting my deep conditioner over the rice water. So after I've put in the hair mask, I'm putting over a shower cap, and over that I'm putting my heat cap and leaving it in for half an hour.
So in this video, I'm actually not showing you any results that I've gotten with the rice water. This video is just meant for you to see how I am actually using it myself. You can try it out for yourself if you want to see how it works for you. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!